Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today get ready with me to go to an event. Let's go. This is CeraVe moisturizing cream. So firstly we will apply this a lot because we really want our face to hydrate. This is Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Hi, welcome back. So now I'll be using this kajal around my this area so that it will give me more pigmentation, and then I'll blend it later with my brush. So it can be as messy as you want in this step right now because we are going to blend it anyway. So yeah, we are just going to do a very messy eyeliner, yeah, like this. And okay, so if you want more pigmentation then you can go in again and again, but for now let's just blend. So I'm taking this kind of a brush and then blending it out. So you do it like this. So you get the idea, right? So you have to blend it and then you go in to other side and blend it as well. While doing this you have to try to stay in the lower part of your eye so that it does not, the kajal does not go to the upper part. So now what we are going to do is, from this Morphe Jeffree Star palette, we are going to take this color in High Dude. So we are just going to tap over it, the line that we created just before, and like so. Then again in the other part, I usually like to do both eye together so that I don't forget the shade that I used. Okay, so now again we will blend it with this brush. Okay, so you are going to blend it, and again I put some more in my eye as I want to, then just tap it in the same place and again blend it. Now I'm going to apply in my lower line as well. So you might want to take off the tears that are here, then you just go in. But for my underline I like to use this one, Smokey eye pencil. I don't even know the brand anymore because it's too small, and then because it has more pigmentation to it, so I like to do it like this. Okay, so you see the difference, right? Like this. Now I'm going to blend it all with by using same brush, but you can really use any brush that you have as long as you stay in the same place. Okay, so after doing this you can see the difference because since we use more kajal in this area, so it looks more pigmented than the upper part. Now I will use the same brown shade that we used earlier on in our lower lash line. For now I will move on to other part and then come to eyes again later to do my mascara and everything. So it looks like this right now. Now I'm going to use LA Colors foundation in shade Radiant. So I like to use it by putting some dot initially so that it gives more coverage. Now so we are done with foundation. So now I like to move on with liquid blush from MP. I don't actually know this brand. And then I'll just try to apply all the liquid that are there before I apply any powder to my face. I like to go in with other lipstick as well for more pigmentation. The line looks too weird right now, but I'm going to blend it later. Now I'll take some concealer under my eyes and ouch. So this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. I like to blend the concealer with my hand. Again, we will go with lighter shade of the concealer. This is ELF 16-hour Chemo Concealer in shade Medium Sand. So this is too bright for me, but I like to use it by only applying a little bit of it. And then I'll just blend it with my hand. For that snatched look, when you blend the concealer, you also have to apply it in this part of the area so that it will look more snatched. Your face will look lifted. So now that we are done with concealer, now it's time to apply powder. I don't know which brand is this, but it's in shade NC30. Welcome! For highlighter, we will just use this one, and I like to use it on my nose and here as well, and here. So when you apply highlighter, just move your face around like this, and where the light falls, so that's the exact point where you have to actually apply your highlighter, like so. Okay, so it's blended perfectly. Since this line looks so harsh, so we will just try to blend it. So in order to give that finished look, you can again go in with your concealer and you can just do it like this. So here I have pure soap, then I just like to dab in there and apply it in my eyebrows so that it stays in place. Okay, so like this. And if I want to fill in, then now I can fill in. So you should not actually put, like, if you are interested then you can, but I usually don't like to put in black color in my eyebrows because it looks too dark. So I usually go in with dark brown shade and then just fill in from the end like this. And if it looks too patchy, then again blend it with the same brush. So you can see the difference of curling. This is my friend. Say hi. Hi. So I like to apply this Maybelline Intense Black Mascara. I previously applied lip balm in my face, so on my lips. So I'm going to just quickly remove it. Okay, so this is another kajal that I'm going to apply as a lip liner. My eyes are already dark, so I won't be applying that dark color lipstick, so I'll just go with this neutral one. Like this. Then I like to apply lip gloss. This is LA Colors Lip Stain in Lip Stain Color Tinting Gloss in shade Cherry Charm. So I just like to apply it. like this, and you will have juiciest lips ever. Thank you so much guys for watching this vlog.